percentage is a fraction whose denominator is 100%. So when we're looking at percentages, we basically deal with the denominator being 100%. And here are some numbers that we are required to apply percentages to them. The first one says 15% of $300. So in the first one, we're going to have 15% expressed as a percentage. We're going to have 15 out of 100. Then multiply by the quantity that has been given, which is $300. So we multiply this by 300. For now, we can just ignore, we can leave the dollar sign out. So that we multiply this out, you can simply cancel these two zeros with those two zeros. So that 3 times 15, that will be $45. So 15% of $300 is $45. Let's look at the second one, which says 60%. 60% expressed as a percentage will be 60 out of 100. You multiply by the original amount that is given, $300. So that we can cancel these two zeros with these two zeros. 3 times 60, that will be 180. This time you include the dollar sign. So 60% of $300 will be $180. Let's look at C. C says 75% expressed as a percentage should be out of 100 times $300. We cancel these two zeros with those two zeros. 3 times 75, 3 times 5, that will be 15. We write 5, we carry 1. 3 times 7, that will be 21, plus 1, that will be 22. So 75% of $300 will be $225. That is how to express any quantity that you're given in percentage. Now in percentage, we also have decrease and increase. And that's the second part I want us to look. We can increase a percentage and we can also decrease a percentage. So number 2 says increase $500 by 15%. Now we know that the original percentage is 100. Anything we're going to increase, that means we add on top of it. So 100, we're going to add it 100%. We're going to add this 15% on top of it. So we're going to have 100% plus 15%. That will give us a total of 115%. Now that is the percentage we're going to work with. The percentage increase we are going to work with. We want to see by how much it has increased this $500. So this time we are going to express this as a percentage. So we shall have 115 divided by 100, the original percentage, because we are expressing this percentage, this 115 as a percentage. And then we multiply by the amount that is given. In this case, it is $500. So we are going to multiply this by 500 so that we can cancel these zeros, and then we'll multiply 5 times 115. 5 times 5, that will be 25, so we write 5, we carry 2. 5 times 1, that will be 5, plus 2, that will be 7. 5 times 1, that will be 5. So this is dollar. So $500, increase this by 15% to be 575. Let's look at the third one. The third one says decrease $200 by 20%. Now decrease means we are reducing it from the original percentage, which is 100. So 100% this time minus, we decrease, we take away this 20%. So that we shall have 80%. Now we're going to express this 80% and then we'll multiply by the amount that we have been given. So in that case, we are going to have 80 out of 100. We'll multiply this by the amount that is given, which is 200. We can cancel these two zeros, 80 times 2, that will be 160.